Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is on the place. You can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Guys, you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanwhosetselfhimselfonfire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. All right, you're ready to see in the thumbnail? Cooking with tech. Let's get it to the workbench. All right, so here we have it, the Simfonio pressure cooker. Go ahead and open up the box, and one of the things you're going to see right off the back is that it is a box in a box. Quick look around the box, and let's dig right into it. Let's have a quick look around the box. Simple button design, one button cooking, fast cooking, saving 70% of the time. You have a 4.5 super LCD screen, 10-in-1 smart programming, and the best thing is the safety. 10 proven safety mechanisms. Man, you can't beat safety, especially with a pressure cooker. That's around the box. Let's see what's inside of the box. Right off the bat, you can see we have an extra gasket or sealant, whatever you want to call it, and you have this nice customer card right here, just showing their appreciation for you. This gasket feels pretty good. I love extra gaskets. That way the smell for one food don't transfer to the other. All right, let's take the pot out of the box. And here it is. I must say it's beautiful. You can see you have a couple of buttons on the front, delay time, power level. You have your cancel, you have your temp settings. One of the things you're going to notice about it right off the bat is the lid. I'm thoroughly impressed with this lid. I don't know why, but it's just an amazing lid to me. Got a nice feel to it, and it's simple, open and close. You have your quick release on the side. You can vent or seal. And the bottom side of it, you can see it comes with a gasket pre-installed. Hence, 2 gaskets. All right, let's see what else we have inside. You have these rubber mitts, heat-resistant mitts, help you grab anything that's hot that's coming out of there. You get 2 of those, nice little additive. Also, you're getting a soup spoon and a little stirrer, and you're getting a measuring cup. Now, I'm excited about this strainer. Definitely can use this keeping tender meats out of the water, and this is how we're going to do it, people. This is the secret. This is the secret sauce. This is how we're going to make the hamburgers. Okay, I can't forget about the user manual and the recipe book that comes inside of this pressure cooker. Also, just getting ahead of myself. Can't wait to start cooking, show you guys my little secret to making those hamburgers. And you have the pot itself. Now, the great thing about the pot is the bottom, the 8-quart pot right here is the bottom side. Take a look at the underside of this pot, guys. You see those little spirals? That ensures that the heat plate inside of there will heat the pot up evenly. They thought of everything. These people know what they're doing. All right, let's go ahead and plug it up and see what type of settings they have. The audio sound lets you know when the lid is locked and unlocked. Once again, on the outside, you can see these big buttons. They allow you to change the temperature and the pressure, but the magic knob is where you're going to choose most of your settings. You see, you can cook poultry, you can do soup, eggs, cake. All of these things are preset for you. And when you want to select something, you just simply press the knob and to make a selection. They leave nothing to chance. This big LCD 4.5 screen have a lot of real estate, guys. Bang, select it, press it, and the pressure cooker will do all of the work for you. It's simple. Look how easy this is. The buttons are so big and the selections are so easy to select. It's almost foolproof. It sort of reminds me of that phone. You guys know, the Jitterbug phone. Everything you need is right here at your fingertips. Easy peasy, people. Okay, enough talking. Let's cook. I have me some fairly inexpensive ground meat, just all grounded together with some Tony season. Go ahead and add my season, make my little patties, and I'm also going to use some shredded cheese, jalapeno, craft cheese that is. Show you guys how I make this patty. I'm gonna use this patty maker. I can't find the bottom part, but I'm just gonna use this plastic plate. Hey, it is what it is, guys. Just go ahead and put the meat into the patty maker, make one layer, fill it out, and then on top of that, I'm going to put the cheese, and then I'm going to put another layer of meat, press it down, and my patty should be made and ready to go. Now that I have it all pressed together, I'm going to go ahead and season it some more on the outside, and then I'm going to wrap it in aluminum foil. Make sure that it's wrapped nice and tight, and we should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and make 2 patties like this. Now this was the reason I was so excited about this strainer. This is going to keep the patties out of the water, and it's going to make sure that they are held together during the cooking process. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put it in the pressure cooker. Almost forgot, gotta put 1 cup of water in there. Set the strainer in there. This would keep it out of the water. Can't stress that enough. Lock it, put it to seal, and you can set it anywhere between 15 minutes to 25 minutes. This is my first time using it, so I'm going to go ahead and set it to around 25 minutes, guys, just to ensure that I'm cooking the patties thoroughly. But like I said, you can definitely set it to 15 minutes. All right, now that I have it set, select and let it pressurize. All right, it's done. What I do, I just do a quick release, let all the steam out. Only take about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Please be careful. This will be hot, so be careful when you're handling it. All right, you can see all of that grease and stuff just come out of here, and it had a lot of grease in the pot too. Now, this is not the leanest cut of meat, but hey, it is what it is. Great thing to know is that a lot of that grease came out during the cooking process, but you can look at it and see that it's cooked through and through, and that cheese that's in there, woo, woo. Where I'm from, the greasier the better. All right, let me show you a trick that I do just so I can get that nice hamburger texture. If you like those grill marks, just throw it in the air fryer or in the oven or on your grill for a couple of seconds. There you have it. It's not necessary, but it does add a little color. And the only thing left to do is just garnish your buns and you're good to go. Guys, this is absolutely a great time saver. Throw it in there, set it, forget it, and you can enjoy a wonderful, tasty, delicious, scrumptious, juicy meal. There you have it. I love that large display. I also like that they have all of those safety features added into it. You've seen it with your own eyes. A beautiful pot. It cooks well, cook fast, a lot of safety features, ease of use, and it's 10% cheaper than the best product out there. You're getting, in my opinion, quality, more features. It's your boy taking a bathroom, and this has been a Cooking with Tech segment. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Hamburgers in the pressure cooker. Who do that? I'm the only one do that. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.